So in the scheme of things, a little bit late, but it'll be fine. What you're looking at is homemade mince pie filling. I've used the Delia Smith recipe, so it's usually a guarantee to have everything fairly decent. Yes, even Australians have mince pies. That little Union flag in the corner of our flag gives us the right to have these. Now, what'll be funny is my climbing club, me being the only non-French person there, are going to take some mince pies for them. And we will see. We will see how the French react to very spicy, very citrusy, just a tiddly bit boozy mince pie filling. Anyway, very cool. The smell is off the wall. That has been soaking together for 24 hours, and it's been in the oven on a low heat for 3 hours, and the smell is off the wall. Dare I say, it smells like Christmas. But cool. Enjoy your time. So now it's the second attempt at rolling out pastry for mince pies. I've used Delia Smith's chutney mince pie filling recipe, and instead of suet, because we've got vegetarians at the club, I've used butter. It's nice. It's spicy, citrusy, fruity, lovely. Her pastry is Paul Hollywood's basic recipe, which is basically a short crust pastry, very short, with sugar in it rather than other things. 1 egg. So this didn't work very well last night. I think the room was too hot, and I don't think the pastry was cold enough. Having said that, this may be too cold now. We'll see. I do most of the cooking. I don't bake a lot. I don't do a lot of pastries or anything like that. So this is all relatively new. So last night's didn't look terrific, but they tasted very nice. So that's I would say it's a 370 grams, and that'll make 12 if I was a little less generous. but these are for other people, so maybe just go a little heavy on the fruit. See what the French feel about it. This should be okay. So the reason I laugh is again, generalizations, stereotypes. In general, as we understand it, the French, where the cooking is absolutely brilliant, some of the Breton stuff and everything, lovely. They don't do a lot of spice in general. So this is really spicy and fruity, so we'll see. I wonder if there's another level of spice to be had by putting some spices in the pastry. But then again, it's a man for you trying to alter the bloody recipe every time that you've got something good going on, you want to go and change it. That's why we have recipes, because they work. "30 years of painting, I know how to hold a brush and use it." Ta-da! Right, that's them in the oven for, I reckon, 15 minutes for ours. It's all clean up now. Yeah, I know it's supposed to be icing sugar, but I bought the wrong thing. What can I say? It's French. Right. They look cooked. Can't go wrong with butter, flour and sugar. There we go. Finished product with homemade icing sugar, because I bought the wrong sugar. Only takes 5 minutes. I wouldn't do it for a whole cake, but there we go. That's fine. We'll see how the French like it. Bon fête de Noël et joyeux Noël.